Hi guys, I'm here today with a very interesting tire inflator with super impressive specs. Probably the king of the tire inflator. It's absolutely amazing. We can inflate up to 160 PSI. We have dual motor, we have dual cylinders, we have very long power cable, even very long inflating hose. Comes also with a lot of accessories, so super interesting thing. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, and then how we can use it. And so here again the box, the model is AIRUN T2. We have a 23 liters per minute fast inflation. Here again the specs and the features in the back. Yeah, also everything really nice, organized, very well protected here inside, single boxes. Then of course the main device. Yeah, we do not only have very impressive specs, we have also very impressive design. So this could be also a very nice gift. Something really special comes with this handle, dual motor, dual cylinder design. We have also soft rubber feet for a safe stand, and we have impressive heat sinks here on the top, which allows for continuous operation of up to 40 minutes. With a lot of inflators, we have just a couple of minutes and then it starts overheating. Here definitely no problem. And so we can see the long power cable again and also long hose. And we have already a lot of accessories here directly included into the device, properly stored. And so here more stuff. And it's definitely not a no-name. We can see they have their own website, full support. And it comes with a full instructions manual in English and Spanish. It's a lot of information. The normal plug for the cigarette lighter adapter is already included in the device, but here we get even more options. So this adapter can be attached to normal 12-volt battery, and so we can use this as a cigarette lighter replacement. Then this very long, flexible inflating hose, and we get even this nice carry and storage bag. And so here we have normal 12 volts. So let's plug it in. Turns on automatically. So I would say it looks very intuitive. So we can use the M button to switch between kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, PSI, bar, and the display very bright, really good readable. And we have this additional light, pretty strong. And so we can adjust here easily the target. Can even long press for fast adjustment, maximum up to 160 psi, and then cycling back. So for example, we can set it to 35 for normal car tire. Then it goes back to the current pressure. Of course it's not attached, so it shows 0. So it has a dual mode. It shows the current pressure, but as soon as we adjust it, it will show the target. This is what we need. And then we have the start button. Of course, because it's so strong, it's also a little bit loud. But everything looking really, really good. So I'm going outside and test it and let you know how this works. And so I've been outside inflating a tire of my car and also a mountain bike tire. It has been working really good, I would say, but it was not like super fast, was not super strong or so. I mean strong, yeah, okay, can inflate up to 160 psi, maybe a little bit more than normal tire inflator or battery operated tire inflator. But it was definitely not faster than a small battery-operated tire inflator. It was just more noisy, pretty loud. I mean, not unbearable loud, of course. You don't have to wear earplugs or so. But I was expecting a faster inflation, but it's really not. But of course, the advantage is here when you have to inflate a lot of tires, large tires or so. This has definitely larger cooling, better cooling. So again, you can use it continuously up to 40 minutes. This can be a huge advantage compared to small battery operated inflator, where usually the overheating can be a big problem. By the way, I've been using this extension hose here, has been working really good. You can see very easy to attach, really solid connection, absolutely no air coming out here in between. using this adapter was definitely no difference compared to this one, but of course it's much easier to use this one here, really easy to attach and release while you have to screw with this one here. But it's nice that we have both options. Sometimes for some smaller tires it's better to have this one here, maybe for a scooter or so this can be an advantage. And I can definitely confirm that the display is super bright, very easy to see also in direct sunlight. When I've been outside, the sun has been shining directly onto the display, and that caused huge problems for some other tire inflators. To me here absolutely no problem, so big plus here. Then some more information about the fuse. I heard it's in the tip of this plug, but I couldn't find out how to remove. Maybe we have to twist this, but I tried, couldn't remove. Maybe somebody of you could tell me where this thing is, but I didn't use. I think it's 20 amps fuse anyway, so it's higher than most car cigarette lighter fuses, which are usually 15 amps. By the way, it's highly recommended to use at least 15 amps. At least this is according to the instructions, but the specs actually say it has a 205 watts rating. When we divide this by the 12 volts, then it would be more than the 15 amps. So when you're using maximum strength here, going very high to up to 160 PSI, then it could definitely blow a 15 amps fuse. And that's the reason why we have this direct connection cable, which you can use to connect directly to the car battery. Then another thing regarding the plug, here for this plug or this port here, absolutely no problem, but it is a little bit longer. I think the distance here is a little bit longer than average, and so I've been also using it with this battery, and so you can see when I plug it in here, then it doesn't have a really good solid hold. Usually it just drops out. Sometimes it wouldn't stick at all. You can see here definitely very, very difficult. It has been dropping out a couple of times already. So I really had to hold it like that it would work. Of course, this is only 10 amps anyway. I've been using this one here to inflate the mountain bike tire and was absolutely no problem. So I would say if you're using just lower pressure, maybe up to 35 PSI or so, definitely no problem if you have just 10 amps. But if you go higher, you have to be really careful. The length of the power cable is not super long. I mean, it's usually long enough for smaller cars, but for longer cars, it wouldn't be enough. But of course we have this extension hose, which helps a lot. So overall it has been working nicely, but it was not something which blew me away regarding the power. Super stylish one, definitely no doubt. But we also do not have any presets, but I've never used them, so no problem with that. Also the advanced cooling system, which allows for continuous inflation up to 40 minutes. That's of course very hard to find. And then the extension hose, something really special. So maybe not perfect, but could be still a very nice gift, or if you want to buy this for you. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.